Hello, early kindergarten. Welcome to math. It's so good to see you. Hello to Ariana and Blake and Emma and Emmy and JD and Carla and Catherine and Keon and Luca, Matthew, Mila, Noah, Rosalind, Sebastian, Tribeca, and Sophia. Welcome. It is so good to see all of you. So I want to make sure first you watched the video where we count to 20, where I was running up the stairs. So let's just take a moment and count together to 20. Here we go. Are you ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good. You did it. Good job. Okay. And today in math, I want to show you something. I have something on the carpet. So let me show you this. There you go. Now, this is called a number path. This is called a number path. Why do you think it's called a number path? Let's think about that for a minute. Okay, good, because there's numbers on it. Ah, it looks sort of like a path. Like you could be walking along. You could be walking along this path, yes, with numbers. Good. Yes, so it's a number path. So I want to make sure that you have your number path. I sent a number path for a grown-up to help you print off. So it looks like this. It looks like this. So make sure you get that first. If not, pause the computer and go get that and come back, okay? Good, you're back. All right, so let's start off by, I'm gonna give you some clues, okay? And when I give you this clue, you're gonna figure out the number. And I know you can't walk on this number path, but you can use this number path and use your fingers to hop to the different numbers. Okay? So it's going to work like this. If I give you a clue and say, how many ears do you have? Okay. Well, we know. What's the answer? 2. That's right. So we're going to do 1, 2. That's me hopping. Okay? Now you can't hop on your piece of paper, but that's 2 hops. Let me try again. So I have 2 ears. 1, 2. So on your number path, you're going to hop 1, 2. Okay, good. So let me give you some clues. All right, I want you to hop to the number that you have the same amount of fingers on one hand. Oh, I know that's a lot of numbers in there. Hop to the number of fingers you have on just one hand. Good. So did you hop to the number, which one? 5. Good. So if you could really do it with your whole body, it'd be like this. Count with me. Oh, let me start over. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Because I have 5 fingers on my hand. So 5. Good. Here's another clue. So you're doing it with your fingers, yes? Hop, 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 hop. And you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Count to the number of elbows that you have. Okay? And I will wait. Okay. What'd you get? 2, 1, 2. Yes. So I will hop it and you use your fingers, right? Let's do it together. Here we go. 1. How many elbows? 2. 2. Good. All right. Here's another one. How many beds do you have in your room? Okay. Ready? Go. Oh, interesting. Okay, so some people hop to one, they have one bed, but some people had bunk beds, so they hop to one, two, two. Good. Okay, let me think about this. How many toothbrushes do you have? Did most of you say one? Okay. How about how many brothers do you have? Now, if you don't have any brothers, don't start hopping on this number path. Oh, some of you have one. Oh, some of you have one, two. Okay. For me, I have two, so I'll show you. One, two. Two brothers. How about sisters? How many sisters do you have? If you have none, then you wouldn't get on the, you wouldn't, if you have none or zero, you wouldn't get on the path, would you? Okay, I'll show you. I have one sister. One. Good. Okay. Okay, good. So, have our number path. Give me a second to get set up here. And that number path, when we were hopping, right? Those hops can look the same as the dots on a 5 frame. So if I said I had two brothers, and some of you had two brothers, yeah? One, two, hop. One, two. Same as one, two, right? Good. How about those 5 fingers, right? On this number path, we hopped 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We hopped 5 times. What's this number here? Yeah, 5. How many dots are there in this 5 frame? Yeah, 5. 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots in our 5 frame and the number 5. Good. Okay. I think we're going to go on to the projector. And let me think about this. Today, yes, we're going to go on, but I want to say today when you have, since you have this with you, when you're walking around the house today, I want you to look at things around the house. What do I have 1 of, 2 of, 3 of, 4 of, 5 of? And when you see it, maybe you have 5 dinner plates tonight. You're going to take your finger and you're going to hop down the number path. 1 dinner plate, 2 dinner plates, 3 dinner plates, 4 dinner plates, 5 dinner plates. You have 5 dinner plates, okay? Anything you find in your house that you can hop and count them, great, okay? So let's go see what our math friend is doing today. And who is this? Yes, good. This is Dion. Dion. He's on a number path today, just like us. He says, let's use a number path to help us with our numbers. I will hop to the number of toys that I see. Okay, so first we're going to look at just this top part, just there. Okay. There's Dion. There's the number of toys he has. Does he have any toys today? No, no toys. We're just looking up here. No toys. So should he start hopping on that number path to start counting the number of toys he has? No, because he doesn't have any toys. He can't get onto the number path because the first number is 1. He doesn't have 1 toy. He doesn't have any, right? Good. Did you get that? Good. Okay, let's look down here. Here's Dion. How many toys does he have? How many little penguins does he have? Yes, good. 1. So how many hops is he going to take on the number path? Is he going to take 5, 3, 2, 4? No, okay. Just 1. So here's Dion, and he takes 1 hop. 1. He's got 1 toy. 1 hop down the number path, okay? Now, here he is again. Oh my goodness. He has more toys than he had before, right? He had 0 and then he had 1 and now he has a whole bunch. How many toys does he have? Okay. I see that some of you could see that group of toys and they knew right away what number it was. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's got 4 toys. So how many hops do we take down the number path? You guys are so good. 4, 4. So here we go. Let's hop with me, please. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So do you see how if Dion is standing on the number path at the number 4 and he said, I have this many toys, how many toys would we know that he had? 4, because he's on the number 4. What about if you couldn't see these toys and you saw Dion on his number path on this number, how many toys would he have? 4, good. Good, because the number path, that number is telling us how many toys we have. Good. Okay. I think you are ready to work on your own. So let's look at our worksheet here. Okay, and with this, remember we're going to work box to box. So you're going to answer this box, but you're not going to put the answer from this box all the way over here, right? You're just going to work in this box. It says, trace the same number of hops and color the boxes. So we want to first find out how many toys or objects or things there are. Let's look at these balls and count them. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. So how many hops are we going to take? Yeah, 5. So here goes the frog. He goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balls, 5 hops to the number 5. And then we're going to color them in, all 5. Okay? Now, when you go to these, what are these? Yes, trees, good. We're going to count the trees, and the frog's going to take that many hops. But if you see this dotted line on all of them, the dotted line is everywhere. Does that mean we color in all the way to 5 on each one? No, no. You're smarter than that. Think about it. How many trees are there? Yeah, 2. So we're not going to follow this line all the way to 5. There's 2 trees. We're going to take how many hops? Yes, you got it. 2 hops. 1, 2, and we're just going to color into 2. So 1, 2, we're going to go around the outside and color those in. 2 hops, 2 hops, 2 trees, 1, 2 to the number 2. Good. You'll go on to flowers, the balloons. What are those? Leaves, yes, and a little birdie. Good. But remember, you're just working box by box. So you're just working 1 box at a time. 1 box, and then another box, okay? Don't put your answers to the balls all the way down here, because that won't be what the directions are. Okay, and then turn it over. Let's get this right for you. There we go. Oh my goodness, Miss Kelly. Miss Kelly, Miss Kelly. What are you doing, Miss Kelly? Okay, let me get this real quick. There we go. Okay, it says trace the same number of hops and color the boxes, just like we did on the other side. But now we're not looking at balls and leaves and trees. We're looking just at numbers, okay? So you have to figure out what that number is. And that's telling you how many hops to take. So, what number is that? Yeah, you got it. So you're going to take how many hops? 1 hop, 2 hop, and you're going to color that in, okay? You can use any color crayon. That's fine. Just remember when you start, the first thing you do is what? That's right. You put your name above the pencil with a pencil, and then you work with a crayon. Any color crayon is fine. Okay? And I think that is it. That's all for today. So, but I want you to take your number path. Just a minute. You take your number path, and I want you to find things around your home that you can see that are some of these numbers, like 2 bananas, 3 oranges, 1 shoe, 1 shoe. Where's the other shoe? And you're going to, when you see it, you're going to, with your finger, hop to the number pad. Those 2 bananas, 1, 2. That 1 shoe, 1. Okay? Take this around with you for a little bit. Enjoy it around your house, okay? And that's it. I love you. I miss you. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.